Welcome back to SmartSpeak English.
Great to be here.
So, you want to boost your spoken English, right?
Yeah.
But maybe you think, I need a teacher, or I have no one to talk to.
Yeah, that's a really common feeling. People think practice means, only conversation with someone else.
But today we're diving into how you can actually make real progress speaking English all by yourself, just at home.
Absolutely. It's totally possible with the right techniques and, well, the right mindset. You can improve alone.
Okay, let's get into it. Technique number 1, narrate your day.
This is a good one. Just as you're doing things around the house, say what you're doing out loud in English.
Like, I'm making some tea now, or, okay, opening the fridge, what else? Need to charge my phone, that kind of thing.
Exactly that. Simple stuff. The point is it helps you switch from translating in your head to actually thinking in English more directly.
Right, forming the thoughts in English first.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. What's next?
Technique 2 involves your phone. Use the voice recorder.
Talking to yourself again, but recording it this time.
Yeah. And look, it might feel a bit weird at first, but it's super useful. Talk about what you did today, your thoughts on something. Describe the room you're in. Anything.
And the key is listening back, isn't it?
That's the crucial part. You listen back and you'll start hearing things, maybe where you paused too much or a word you weren't sure how to pronounce.
So you can spot your own mistakes.
Yeah.
And also hear your progress over time.
Exactly. Even just 1 minute a day of this can make a real difference. Seriously.
Okay, solid advice. Technique number 3.
The mirror technique.
Okay, so stand in front of a mirror.
And talk. Have a conversation with yourself or pretend you're giving a little speech or explaining something.
What's the benefit of the mirror specifically?
Oh, you get to see yourself speaking. You notice your facial expressions, your body language, how you're forming the words. It actually builds confidence and helps make your delivery feel more natural.
Gotcha. It connects the physical act of speaking with the language. Okay, technique 4.
Let's get practical. Label your home in English.
With sticky notes.
Yep, sticky notes are perfect. Stick them on everything. Door, mirror, lamp, microwave, kettle, everyday items.
And then what? Just see the words.
See them and say them. Every time you open the door, say door out loud. When you turn on the lamp, say lamp.
Okay. It connects the object directly with the English word, making vocabulary stick.
Precisely. Simple, but it really works for reinforcing those common nouns.
Cool. All right, number 5.
Shadowing. Use TV shows or YouTube videos.
Shadowing. How does that work?
You listen to a short bit of someone speaking English, maybe a sentence or two. Pause the video.
Yeah.
And then you repeat exactly what they said, trying to copy their sound, their rhythm, their intonation, like an echo.
So you're mimicking them completely.
As closely as you can, yeah. It's fantastic for improving your pronunciation, the musicality of your speech, your overall fluency. It trains your mouth and ears.
That sounds like a fun one, actually. Okay, and you mentioned a bonus tip.
Yes, the kind of ultimate goal, really. Think in English.
Switch your internal monologue. That sounds hard.
It is, long term, but you start small, very small. Consciously try to form simple, everyday thoughts directly in English.
Like, instead of thinking in my language, what should I cook? I think, what am I going to cook?
Exactly. Or did I turn off the light? I'm tired. I need coffee. Little thoughts throughout the day.
And over time, that trains your brain.
It does. It gradually helps your brain default to English for thinking, which makes speaking feel much more effortless eventually. Be patient, though. It takes time.
So the big takeaway here is you really don't need other people around or a formal class to seriously practice your spoken English.
Not at all. Your home can be your classroom, your voice. That's your main tool. You're a teacher, in a way.
The key is just starting, right? Using your voice, trying these techniques.
Definitely. Start speaking, keep practicing consistently. You might surprise yourself with how much you improve.
Absolutely. And if you found these tips useful, please do give us a like, maybe share it with friends who are also learning.
And subscribe to SmartSpeak English. We'll have more self-practice ideas coming your way.
Yeah, definitely subscribe. And hey, if you try these out or if you have any questions or doubts about practicing alone,
please drop a comment below. We'd genuinely love to hear from you and help out if we can.
Speak smart, everyone, even when you're speaking alone.